I am giving you this video so that you can avoid had I known, so that nobody will experience the headache or the disappointment that comes with uploading of results, so that nobody will lose his or her chances of getting university admission this year and start over the whole process of registering and writing JAMB again. First of all, I announced yesterday that you can now upload your O-level results on the JAMB portal. And let me say again, O-level has to do with WAEC result, NECO result, either of them. You can either upload WAEC or NECO or GCE or NAPTEP. Any of them you are using to enter school is considered O-level result, right? Let me now start with, some of you are not sure. Some of you are asking, you don't know if you have uploaded or not. In this video, I will show you how to check if you have uploaded or not, and if you have not uploaded, how you can do the uploading on your own without anybody's help. How to know if your O-level result has been uploaded? Number one, log into the JAMB portal. When you log into the JAMB portal, scroll down and click on check admission status. Check admission status. Select examination year, that is 2025, or if you are writing in 2026 or 2027, you just select the particular year. It's basically the same thing. I don't know the year you are watching this video. Click on Access My CAPS, Central Admission Processing System. Click on CAPS. Click on My O-Level. Click My O-Level. I've shown you all this in the previous video. If your O-Level result has been uploaded, it will show your result. It will be on the system. You don't need to upload. But if it is not showing, it means you have to upload. Let me show you how it will look. If you have uploaded, it will look like this. Can you see it? This person's result has been successfully uploaded, both the subject and the grade, right? The subject, the grade, the exam year, and the examination. Okay, result and document have been, it will show you result and document has been successfully uploaded. This is how to know if you have uploaded your result. But then if you notice, if you follow this method and you notice you have not uploaded, here is what I expect you to do, right? Get these documents ready. Get your O-level result ready. Your O-level result has to be ready. Whether you snap it or screenshot it or scan it, you have to have it on your phone. Your JAMB registration number, you have to have it ready. Your full name, your examination year, the year you wrote that particular O-level exam, and the exam and the year you are writing the JAMB. Okay, if you have that, then to upload O-level result, pay attention to the JAMB portal. Visit the JAMB e-facility portal. Visit the JAMB e-facility portal. I will show you the link. I will give you the link. Log into your email. Log in with your email. Once you go to the e-facility link on JAMB portal, you log in with your email and password. That is the email and password you use for your JAMB registration. That initial time you register JAMB. Then navigate to the dashboard and click check admission status, followed by access my CAPS. Inside CAPS, select my O-level result, upload your results. Now let me give you step-by-step guidance on how to upload your O-level result. Okay, number one step, visit this link on the screen. If you need me to send you the link privately, let me know, but you can visit this link on the screen. I will still show it to you. https /e-facility.jamb.gov.ng. It's a popular link. You must have visited this link several times. This thing, you can do it on your phone, but some people are charging you to do that. Okay, I'm showing you how you can do it on your own. If you can't do it, you can now pay for it to be done for you. Visit the link on the screen, log in, enter your registered email and password to access your dashboard. So once you log into this link, immediately you click through your phone or your laptop or your desktop, any device you are using that is internet enabled. Click on this, input this link, then enter your password and your email, then click on you. Once you enter your password and email, you will see access CAPS. On the dashboard, click on check admission status, check admission status, check admission status. Once you click it, it will open and you will see access my caps, access my CAPS. You will see it. Then once it opens, you will now inside your caps, when you have clicked on that access my caps, inside it, locate and click on my O-level result. You will see a place where they wrote my O-level result, my O-level result, to upload your result. Verify upload. Once you are done, verify. After uploading, verify that your result has been successfully uploaded by checking your profile in caps. I will show you how to do that. Okay, remember I told you that there is a particular website, the link. So here I've been asking for the link. Here is it on the screen. Copy it out. Copy this link at https://efacility.jamb.gov.ng efacility.jamb.gov.ng. Have you copied it out? It's a very simple thing. All right. Now you have copied it out. Click on check admission status. This thing I told you earlier. And navigate to caps. Under the my O-level, confirm if your result has been uploaded. If your results are uploaded successfully, then it will be displayed with the grades for each. If you have successfully uploaded your result, maybe before, you will see something like this. Right? You will see something like this displayed on the screen, but all your subjects, that is if you successfully uploaded it before. Remember that you can do this on your own, or you can go to a cyber cafe, or you can ask me to help you to do that. Right? That is for if you're a member. When you have done all these things, checking, you still do the same thing. When you have uploaded everything, log out and try to log in again. Right? When you have uploaded, to be sure that the JAMB system has captured it, received it, just log out and try to log in again. Log into your JAMB portal, scroll down and click on check admission status. Select the examination year, that is 2025 or 2026 or 2027 or 2028, depending on the year you wrote your own JAMB. Click on access my caps, my O-level result. Now, when you click my O-level result, if they have already captured it from the previous uploading you did, you will see something like this with your own result. Do you understand? Do you get? But if they have not captured it, it will still look blank. It means there was an error in the one you did previously and you have to start it afresh. Remember, like I said, you can do it on your own. If you need me to help you to do it, let me know. I want to encourage you to right now be a member of our YouTube channel, be a full registered member of our YouTube channel. How? Click on join. When you click on join, follow the steps, join our YouTube channel, you become a member. Then like this video, click on like this video now, share this video immediately, click on share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Click on subscribe right now. When you subscribe, let me know that you have subscribed. Remember to share this video. Share this video, click on share this video, copy the link, share this video here on YouTube, and then copy the link and share to your classroom groups and everybody so that they will benefit. There is a very important video I'm giving you free of charge on the screen. Click on it and watch now.